Alright, so yeah, welcome to today's tutorial. This is the new month flyer we're gonna be creating right here on Pixellab. So as usual, once you click on your Pixellab, so this is the default background of your Pixellab. This is it right here. This is the default background. So the first thing you're gonna do again is to click on this new text, delete it, go for size. This dot looking these three dots, click on it, click on image size. You are still using the same size as well. So I click on OK, and I'm going to go to the background. Color background, so I'm going to click on color right here, click on color and change it to black. Alright, mark the go sign, click the go sign. So we're going to be importing the resources we are going to be needing right here. Let me increase the size and look at. So I'm going to be importing this woman, this grammar, location icon, telephone, and Facebook, and this Twitter or TikTok now. Alright, so I'm going to be clicking on this import 3 to 4 times if I can. 3 to 4 times. Okay, so this is the first one right here. I click on it. Alright, let's go look for the other ones. If I can click it, find them. Alright, once again. Okay, the telephone. Alright, so we have 3. 1, 2, the third one right here. Alright, so I go again, import. I'm going to get the last one. I'm going to be using this actually. So let me hide them. I'm going to hide them. So we'll start with the first one. Let's start with the first one. Alright, so this is the first one right here. I'm going to increase the size. Let me increase the size of the first one. So I'm going to place it right here. Alright, so I'm going to lock it. This one, look at this 6 dots you're looking at right here. Press it on it and drag it. As simple as that. So you're just trying to look for a way to achieve the correct way on that. Okay, so I'm going to reduce the opacity and check if it's the right way. Place this right here. So that's it. So as I said earlier, once you increase, it tends to, once you increase an image on Pixellab, it tends to increase. I'm going to copy it. This pencil icon, I click on copy. That's it. I'm going to lay it right there again. Then delete the other one and lock this one. So let me reduce the size of this one too. Yeah, so we achieved that. Let me bring it to front. Alright, so yeah, I have this. The next one, this, go for the middle one, click on shape, and after I go for shape, click on the good sign, then you increase it, and you place it right here. So I'm gonna place it right there. Alright, so I'm gonna copy it. Look at copy here. Click on copy again. Alright, edit. I'm going to be using a yellow color. I'm going to click on this yellow. Click on plus. So I love this yellow color. I'm going to reduce the size right here. So I'm going to place it here. I'm going to copy it again. To place it right here. Then stay with me. I'm going to drag it and bring it to the back. Press hold on it and drag them. So that's how to achieve that. And drag it. So now it's at the back of this. So I have it right here. I'm going to lock it as well. This one I'm looking at right here, I'm going to break it down too. I'm going to lock it as well. Lock. Alright. So what do we have again? Okay, something is missing in the resources, which is the logo. I'm going to bring it in as well. White House Academy, so I'm going to bring it in and place it right there. Change the color, go for color, enable the color, change it to yellow. So we have it right there. Okay, so click on A, text, edit, white house. Okay, then okay. Scroll to the left, click on this blue icon and click on this B again. Click on, then you do what again? Reduce the size. And place it right there. That's it. So happy new month. So I'm gonna copy this one again. Edit. Now click on new. Click on that to capitalize everything. Increase the size. Right. Scroll to the left again. Click on background. And after I click on background, enable it. Right. Then I pick this color. So that's it. Left padding. Increase it to something like 15. Right. This one to increase the light padding to 15. And the go sign, then we're gonna reduce the size right here. So go for color. I'm gonna change the text color to black. That is it. We achieved that. So I'm gonna be reducing the size again. Okay. So look at this line you're looking at right here. Up right here. Click on it. Then look this line again. Right? Click on it. Then click on this middle one. Drag it here. Sorry about that. Alright, so click on it again. So I have it like this. I'm going to click on this one again, right? I'm going to bring it. I want to left alignment, align them very well. I need to left align them, so I click on it. I need to bring this one too, right? And align them very well. That's the essence of the line. And the go sign as well. Then go for the next one. Click on text, month. Alright. Go to the left, click on font. This AB. Alright, so let's look for a good font to use. Let's try this one out. Happy new month. I'm gonna put this right here as well. Good. Month, so happy. Where is the happy now? Alright. The next one, I'm gonna copy this one too and delete happy. No, I'm not capitalizing it. Happy. Okay, click on OK. Go to font, go to the left, click on font. So I'm going to be using a font called Grand Hotel. Where are you? Alright, this is Grand Hotel regular. This is what you're gonna be using right here. So reduce the size. To 35. Now I'm using 50 for the size. Positioning, so let's position it very well. So that's it right here. This White Source Academy. I'm going to click on this person icon and click on copy again. I'm going to edit it. Welcome to the month of what? June. Alright. Welcome to the month of June. So I'm going to increase the size. Right. So that's it right here. So what else are we going to do? Alright, we've achieved that. Again. So this plus icon you're looking at right here, click on plus. Look at this draw you're looking at right here, click on draw. Right? Just to tell you how I actually achieved that. I'm going to be going for a white pencil, right? So I'm just going to be doing it roughly, please. Okay, not like that. I'm going to click on back. So that is just the rough part of it. So I'm going to make sure it is looking good. You have to make sure yours is looking good. I'm going to place this right here. So where is the you have? And after that, grammar artifact prayer. You're going to copy it again. I'm going to place this onto right here. That's it. Right, so what is the way we need to? I think I've achieved what these are looking at right here. Yes, we have. So let's quickly start placing them. Alright, where's the location icon? This is the location icon right here. I'm going to lock the others. In the location icon, I'm going to bring it to front. Right, reduce the size. So I'm going to place it right here. Place it right here, right? Yeah, we achieved that. So we have that. And next I'm going to lock it. Where's the other one? This call icon. I'm going to press to front. So it's going to bring everything to front. That is right here. So I'm going to go for black. Click on color, enable the color, and go for black, right? So I'm going to reduce the size as well. And place it right here too. Right? I think I need to reduce this icon color. This icon size as well. I'm gonna be using 10 and position it very well. So that is just it. I'm gonna lock the bolt, right? So the next one is this one you're looking at right here. So I'm going to press to front as well. So we have Facebook and T. Let's check it out. Alright, the first thing I'm going to do right here is just first of all copy like 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to lock it up. The first one, I'm going to use the first one. Right, so I have Facebook and so to just save our time, I'm just going to crop it out here. And go for TikTok and Instagram. Right, so I'm going to reduce the size. After I reduce the size, and I'm going to place this right here as well. Then I'm going to go for color, enable the color, and choose black, right? And after I choose black, the other one too. I think I just need 2. I'm going to click on that one too. Crop it out. So I'm going to be using these 2 here. You don't crop them and copy them. No, you don't do that way. It's going to get blur. So first of all, copy them first before you now crop them out. You just try it and crop them, then you copy them. Everything gets blur. So you enable the color. I'm going to be using white. So this is it right here. So anything else that you want to do here is just on your own. So I'm going to go for shape again to achieve that line. Reduce the size. So I'm going to let me check it out here. Plus, right? So I'm going to reduce the size right here. Right? To reduce the size. So you can see what I'm doing right here. So that is just it. So just place this right here. That was how I click on it again. Copy. Go for relative positioning. Down. Good. You save time, then you. So the remaining one is just something you can do by yourself, right? Just add a text, then you achieve this. So just write the text and achieve what you want to achieve. So I'm gonna be Yes, so we've come to the end of this tutorial. So please stay with me. I want to do something quite quick here. I want to do something. Alright. So look at this mark and miss here. Click on it. Right. Click on this box you are looking at right there. Click on it. This one. I just want to check if it's going to work. And after that, click on this one, and these two. So let's check it out. This phone and pencil you are looking at, click on this phone and pencil. This relative position you are looking at right there, click on it. Then click on the middle one. So you have that. But I don't like the way it is, so I'm going to go for it again. Click on this one, right? This one and this one. Alright, click on it again. I'm going to go for position, so I'm going to position it manually by myself. I want to position it at the middle. That's how you can achieve such. Instead of moving them one by one. So that's how you can achieve them moving in mass. So go ahead and save as project. Actually save it before, so just go ahead and save as project, then save as image. Ultra, then click on save to gallery, and wait until it's finished loading. Alright, bye. See you in my next video.